Hey friends, welcome back to Lenderman Shop. If your kitchen faucet isn't going back the way it should, maybe it's a little sluggish, maybe it's sticking, I have good news. It's usually just the weight, and today I'll show you how to fix that in about 5 minutes. Most pull down or pull out kitchen faucets rely on a simple weighted clamp to help the hose glide in and out smoothly. If it's in the wrong spot, the whole faucet feels wrong. So let's fix that. First things first, go ahead and clear out anything that's under the sink. You want room to move around, and you certainly don't want cleaner bottles knocking into you. Now find the faucet hose. It's the flexible line that moves when you pull the sprayer in and out. You should see a clamped on weight somewhere along it. Sometimes it's one solid weight, or sometimes two pieces screwed together. Before adjusting anything, pull the sprayer out a couple of times and check, does it stop short? Does it feel too heavy? Does it not retract fully? These answers will tell you whether the weight is too high or too low on the hose. You can loosen the weight either by unscrewing it or unclipping it. My weight here has a clip, which makes it easy to open and close. Your weight might have screws on either side to loosen it up. For the purpose of this video, I've done some extremes. So you can see in this example here, the faucet head's not even getting back to the faucet housing. And that's because the weight is too far on the other side of the loop of the hose. So next I'll make an adjustment to the extreme other direction, all the way up to the yellow tape that the manufacturer suggests that we don't go beyond. Now with the weight right up to that yellow tape, it actually retracts quite nicely. However, it doesn't go down into the sink or the bowl as far as I would like it. And it retracts quite forcefully. So our goal here is to find a happy balance between usability as far as how far out you want it, and a nice smooth retraction so it's not too forceful. So let's go find a place for that weight in the middle of the hose that will satisfy our requirements of full retraction and functionality right down here in the sink. And a cameo appearance by this little girl named Story. So here you see I've cheated a little bit. I've put a mark where the weight was before I started this video. So I'm going to move it back to that mark and see if that's still the happy place for the weight on this hose. Okay, I think we have it right where we want it. I can bring this down to wash any dishes in here and to help clean out the sink all around the edges. And again, the closer you get when you're cleaning out the sink, the less splatter you'll get all over the counter. I'm sure you noticed that there is a lot of plumbing and electrical below the sink here for the hose to get hung up on. So make sure when you're settled and you have it right where you want it, that you go in and make sure it's not getting caught up on anything that's going to hinder the move of the hose under the sink. There you have it. We found that happy medium of functionality down here, cleaning, as well as getting the sprayer head back into the housing of the faucet. Folks, if you got anything out of this video, I'd love it if you gave it a like and maybe a share and even subscribe. And if you have other projects at home coming up, drop a comment below. Let me know what you're doing. I'd love to be there to help you. And if you have other plumbing projects to be done around the house, check out this playlist right here. And until our next video here on Lenderman Shop, take care.